Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? I hit the camera there. What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here. We're going to find out together. This was sent by Spencer. Thank you very much, Spencer. Appreciate that. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's see here. That's a safe place to cut right there. There we go. Oh, duh. So stupid. This was sent by Finch. This was sent by Finch. Thanks, man. Yeah, they told me the other day that they were gonna do that. You guys check out Finch Knife Co. These folks are out of Stillwell, Kansas, if I remember that correctly. Yeah, there we go. Hello again from a fellow Kansan. Cool. Yeah, there you go. All right, so yeah, make sure you check out their Instagram. Do they have that on here? Not really sure. In any case, check them out. Finch Knives, Finch Knife Co., or Finch on Instagram. I can't remember which one they're under. Thank you for the stickers. Let's take a look here. What do we have? We have the Devil's Finger in Sequoia Green. Yeah, that word. I remember the first time I saw it, and I was like, Sequoia? 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 Thank you, Toyota, for allowing me to learn about that word and sell the Toyota Sequoia. It's the only reason I know. Anyways, can we? Oh, there's a spot right there to get your finger underneath there. Yeah. So I have enjoyed the quality of all the Finch knives that I have taken a look at so far. And this one, oh yeah, that'll work. We have a simple 154 cm blade, says Devil's Finger right there. We've got a liner lock. We have, I'm going to guess that does the same thing as the other Finch knives. The crest here, I'll turn the light off so you guys can see. Yeah, it glows. That's kind of cool. I like that. And then we've got probably steel liners underneath. Yeah, steel liners. We've got a wire clip. Cool. So Finch knives, they started off kind of combining, or at least that's how the knives that I was introduced to Finch Knife Co. with were the kind of modern and classic hybridization knives, and they still do those. But it looks like maybe with this guy, we're kind of leaning into more general modern EDC, which is cool. And this is done well, or at least as well as the other Finch knives, which have all been really great. I am a huge fan of 154 cm. Absolutely. So that right there is something that I'm going to enjoy. A little bit cramped on the handle, but the room that I do have is pretty comfortable because of this sort of pill shape, and it is contoured. What is this guy? What's the overall length on this guy? I'll link this down below, by the way, along with the other Finch knives that are available right now. They're not horribly expensive. This is coming in at 7 1/4 inches, so you're looking at roughly the same overall length as the Spyderco Para 3. Blade length is coming in, that's like 3 1/8 maybe, so it's over 3 inches. But weight, I would imagine, is pretty low on this guy. We'll go ahead and do that real quick, just for people who want to see. Yeah, about 3 ounces. So I think that's pretty good. The ratios on this guy are nice. The flipping action's nice. The detent is nice. It's pretty easy to, I mean, it's pretty straightforward and easy to manipulate. I think these come in various forms, and I know that there is or will be a DLT Trading exclusive version of this. At least that's what I remember hearing from Finch. In any case, I will link as much information as I can right down below. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. First impressions on this guy are good, but you will get a full comprehensive review 2, 3, 4 weeks down the road from right now, after I've had a chance to experience this and kind of gather my thoughts. I think that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Thank you so much to Finch Knife Co. or Finch. It's confusing to me who has the Knife Co. at the end of their name and not, but I'm pretty sure it's Finch Knife Co. In any case, thank you so much for sending this in. I really appreciate that. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.